Hey you guys, welcome to today's video and my channel. I am very thankful for you guys to drop by. Today we're going to review how I get this look for my friend's bridal shower party. It is summertime and the party is at her house in the backyard. So I wanted to keep everything very formal but also very subtle, so you can see that I have a very nice soft smoky look on with my favorite lashes. I'm absolutely loving these Boss Babe lashes. They're very lightweight and they give me the perfect look that I'm looking for. For my hair, I kept it very simple, just straight hair. And if you guys want to know how I get this look, please stay tuned and keep watching my video. Thank you. Okay, so you guys, we're gonna go ahead do the eyes first today, and my favorite shadow insurance. I'm using the Too Faced shadow insurance to prep my eyes or prime my eyes. And today I'm actually using a Sleek palette. It's a beautiful palette by Sleek, and it's called Sun and Shining 430. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and use a flat shader brush and pick up this color that is right above the dark brown and pack it all over my eyelids. On my lids, I'm actually gonna use a fluffy brush, and you guys know my love for these fluffy brushes. These are my favorite brushes and my go-tos. Gonna pick some color up with the fluffy brush, and I'm going to pick up some of this taupey brown color, which is right here. Dab, and just go in my crease with it. Then I'm actually gonna use the same fluffy brush and pick up this really peachy shade, this one right here. It's a beautiful color. I'm gonna pick some up on this brush and go in my crease once again, just to add some color. And I'm gonna pick up the dark brown time on the fluffier brush, on this brush, and work it in my outer V again. Then I'm just gonna go ahead with a clean fluffy brush and just blend everything together. I feel like I can blend the best with these fluffy brushes. And I'll zoom in and show you guys what my eyes look like. It's a very nice soft smoky look for a daytime, because I am going to a daytime event. I don't want it to look too dark or too dramatic. It is a backyard party and it is summertime, so I don't want to show up at a party with very bold lashes, very bold eyes, and look like I don't belong there. So I'm just trying to keep everything very subtle. So now I see that there's some fallout with this palette, and you guys, I got this palette in my glossy box from June, and I believe, and honestly, this is the only thing that I can really use out of that out of the box. Some rest of the stuff is either going to my mom or my mother-in-law, because it's very small sizes, and I don't like to use trial size stuff because I feel like by the time I really get to know the product is gone. So again, this palette is probably the only thing I can really use other than some hair masks, which again, one-time use. Some oils. I'm actually gonna go ahead with e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm for my face. And I really like this stick on my skin because it makes my skin feel very hydrated. The minute it goes on, it feels like it's water. So I really like it. So I'm just gonna put it all over my face.
And it's very cooling too.
So I usually just leave it like that. I don't really do whole a lot after I have put this on, I actually go right in with my foundation. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do today too. I'm not gonna try to make something look fancier on the camera. This is what I do in reality, and that's what's going on the camera as well. So I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty's foundation in Latte. And the reason I'm going in with Huda Beauty right now is because my skin is very hydrated. Usually Huda Beauty does make my skin very dry, but now it's hydrated, so it's good. So again, I like to do little at a time. I've put some on my face and I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and blend it on my skin. So once I have the foundation on, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight, and I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. And today I'm using color Light Sand. It is lighter on my skin, but I don't use too much, and I use very little. And it provides perfect amount of highlight to my face. I'm gonna go ahead with my same foundation brush and just blend it out. To it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and bake now. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and contour, and I'm using LA Pro Concealer in Mahogany. And this one's a bit darker color, so, and today I do want to contour a little heavier than my usual, so I'm just gonna put some on and use my beauty blender and just blend it away. Baking, so I'm just gonna go ahead with a fluffy brush, a brush like this, and sweep away all the baking. Contour the face. Like I said, today I want to look extra skinny, so contouring with no shame. I'm gonna use my stippling brush, and this time around I'm actually gonna use the darker colors, so I'm gonna go ahead with this color and go right in my cheeks. And I am using this Milani Flower blush in Coral Cove, and I'm actually gonna put very light blush just because I'm sticking to, I feel like when I put too much blush on I look too pink. So for highlight, I'm using my favorite Wet n Wild highlighting powder in color Blossom Glow. It's funny, I've been using it for so long, but I don't even know what it's called. We're going to go ahead with some lip products on. I'm going to go ahead with Kat Von D's Lolita and put it on my lips. And I'm gonna go ahead, pop some eyeliner and eyelashes on, change my outfit, and I'll see you guys. Okay, so you guys, I went ahead and put my lashes on, I put my jewelry on, I put my earrings, this choker, this velvet choker on, and I did put some eyeliner on and some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I am good to go. Okay, so for lashes, I always tend to just use the brand that I'm using and not tell you the actual lash that I'm using. So for today, I'm using Boss Babe lashes, and the lashes that I have on are also called Boss Babe. So Boss Babe lashes, Boss Babe. I'll show you a close-up of everything. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like my video. Please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, and you will be notified every time I upload. I do try to upload once a week, but sometimes my schedule is very tight. It is off by a few days. So stay tuned for next video, and I will see you next time. Bye.